Hello and welcome back to the Man Cave. Today we're going to be talking about axle stands. So, axle stands. These particular ones I've made myself. I've made two of them. And as you can see, it's quite substantial. Made from various bits of scrap that I had laying about. Give you a bit of size scale. Here's an air filter. Now that particular air filter is massive. So, for a better scale, here's a normal 2-ton axle stand. Yeah, they're big. So, size comparisons. Obviously, this one's in its lowest setting. This one's in its lowest setting. So what does it look like with this one in its highest? Well, pretty much level. But this is no coincidence. I've designed this one to take over after this one has reached its limits. So speaking of limits, how high does this one actually go? Let's find out. So let's say we were working on the chassis on my Land Rover Defender and we wanted to support under the two front dome irons. Obviously, the 2-ton has got no chance. I mean, it doesn't even come close. Whereas the extension on mine is more than man enough for the job. So, I know what you're thinking. What makes this axle stand so special? Well, it has a party trick. Basically, you can take one end off and swap it with another. Again, I know what you're thinking. That's not that special, because at its lowest point is 405 millimeters, and its highest point being nearly 800 millimeters. 800 millimeters? How did we get to 800 millimeters? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, as well as the heads being interchangeable, there's an extension piece. So, when we combine the extension piece with 6 different positions for the pin, that gives us a hell of a lot of adjustment. Makes this axle stand suitable for pretty much any job. And if you sat there thinking, well, it looks a bit flimsy, so I know I did. This is a 2-inch tube, 1/4-inch wall, with a 38mm solid steel pin that goes up into here. It's welded in place, so that's not going anywhere. The actual axle stand part of it, again, 1/4-inch by 2x2 angle iron, the same 2-inch by 1/4-inch tube, and again the 38mm pin that's welded in, so that's not going anywhere either. These parts are made for supporting the chassis. 3mm wall, it doesn't need to be any more substantial than that. This is 10mm sided channel with a 1/4-inch base, so that's not going anywhere. The centre tube, again 2-inch tube, 1/4mm wall, that's not going anywhere. And the base is made of the 3mm wall tube again, 2x2 by 1/4-inch angle iron, 1-inch by 1/4-inch flat bar to stop the sides from spreading. And the pin is rated to 22 ton, so I'm pretty sure that's not going anywhere either. So there you have it, my ultimate axle stands. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.